A domestic call comes in the kind officers see every week.
He cheated on me.
Okay.
But the argument in this house isn't about who did what to whom.
What, the tablet that he's cheating at me with? It's not broken.
It's about a tablet and whether it's actually broken. It's the 31st of December 2024 at a private residence following a domestic disturbance call. This arrest holds up under the law, but one of the 3 charges attached to it barely survives scrutiny.
Hey, I'm Officer Ray with the Williams Police. I got a body cam on, okay? What's going on today?
Dude, please
We gotta talk. We gotta talk.
get him. I don't want to hear it. Sean, like,
Well, hey, it's just us. It's just us talking, okay? What's going on today? You guys getting a bit of an argument?
I don't know.
Well, how did we
I'm
get?
not leaving though.
Okay, that's fine. How did we get to this point, though?
He cheated on me.
Okay. Okay, and then you brought it up to him, I would assume?
Sir, can you please take her out of my room?
You're fine.
I'm not leaving.
Okay. No one ever said you're leaving right now, okay?
I'm not leaving without the truth.
Okay. I'm
And
not...
calling you guys was dumb. He does this all the time.
Why was that dumb?
Because when he doesn't want to tell the truth, he calls the cops. Look at the rap sheet.
Okay. Okay. When you guys were arguing, were there any threats made to each other? It's probably going to help you out
wouldn't know what.
to talk, okay? To talk about what happened.
You can't
okay?
necessarily see mental and emotional abuse, okay?
Okay, I'll agree with that, yeah, absolutely. But all I'm going to say is if he says one thing, and then you're not willing to say anything at all
I want to know the truth.
about the cheating situation. When did this happen? The whole cheating situation.
Please.
You don't want to talk to me at all?
All I can do is just hear him lying!
Would it be easier if we called the door and we stepped inside and talked to you? I don't want him to...
No, he just, you know what? To be honest with you, that's the most he ever has anything to say about me.
Can you tell me about what happened though with the argument? Were there any threats made against each other?
Listen. No, I'm not afraid of him or anything like that, or he's not. He's always telling me to shut the up and everything like that.
I got you. Did he threaten you? Did you make any threats to him that you were gonna harm him? Did either of you two put your hands on each other? Or any pushing, fighting, hitting?
No.
Okay. Was anything broken during the argument?
God. What, the tablet that he's cheating at me with? It's not broken.
What happened to the tablet?
Nothing. I literally went to grab it and he got so mad. You know, when someone's literally knows that... I'm not getting into this. You guys are police officers, not literally coming in here to fix a fucking problem. This isn't really a problem. And that's why I'm like, he's so stupid he's got to call the cops. That's because he's afraid
Okay,
of you guys. He's afraid.
I just want to clarify. You said that there was no...
Afraid of the truth.
You didn't make any threats to him. He didn't make any threats to you.
No, I told him I'm hurt, dude. Can I not be hurt?
Okay, I get that. No, I get that. When we get dispatched to something like this, there's certain questions we have to ask, okay? So that's what I'm running through right now to see if anything criminal actually happened here, okay? So we have to get through our own things.
No.
If you'd walk me through beginning to the end, I'd really appreciate it. To the argument that happened. Just to fill me on what's going on.
All I have asked is to tell me the truth.
Okay. And that's all?
Yes. That's all I want. I want the
What's 10 for?
We'll talk some. What's going on? Okay.
He will try to make me look every kind of way.
And that's why we're over here.
It's alright. I'm not worried about that. I just hope that you take that in consideration.
Absolutely.
That I'm not here to start trouble.
Absolutely.
I'm here to have the truth.
I get it.
With a loser.
I know you told him this. I can hear you as one of their guys is talking.
Well, what is he even? I just don't understand why it's an issue where he has to feel like you guys are his counselors. Like he's called here.
Miss?
What?
Do you live here?
I just moved out.
Okay. So do you have
My address is here. I would love answers.
Okay. Well, we're gonna talk to them and we'll come back and try to get some answers. She's in a bird.
You cheated on me. I have a right to be mad.
I never cheated on you, dude.
I love you.
I never
I call you
cheated.
guys all the time. Every time I ask you about it, he won't answer me.
I'm asking
He will
you.
deny.
You don't believe me.
Oh!
What's up? So basically, he told her not to come over. She doesn't live here. She booted the back door and broke the room, forced her way in, damaged the tablet that he had, and has been throwing the stuff around since.
Didn't explicitly say it.
Get out of my room, dude.
There's nothing that I want of yours
Hey Chelsea,
but the truth.
why are you in here today? Do you
I'm
live,
not leaving without the truth. I'm not doing it.
do you live
Get
here?
out of my room, dude. You don't know what it is.
You don't stay here?
Tom 23, I have a call for you.
Now's your chance to justify why you're here today, okay?
I've already said I want the truth. If he can have I am trying to have a conversation with this man.
Okay.
It is not. I'm upset because he literally would push me to react and wants that. You understand why people do that?
Did he communicate to you that he didn't want you here today?
Does it matter if he wants me here or not? I mean, I want the truth. Is he giving me that?
Do you live here? Do you stay here?
My address is here. Ask him if I have mail. That'd be great instead of withholding it from me.
He says you've never lived here. Is that correct?
Oh, I've never lived here? Okay.
Are you saying you do live here?
I don't live here. I don't live here now. My address is here. I used to live here. I moved out.
Okay. So why would you force the back door open and make yourself...
He already kicked the door open. So don't ever, all the damage, he already did that. Don't let him lie to you.
It looks pretty recent.
Yeah.
Why would
No,
he kick his own
he's
door?
already the trim came off, but he's already kicked the door open.
Okay. So again, why did you force the door open and come in here?
I told
To
you,
get the truth?
I want the truth.
Did you break his tablet? Did you break his tablet as well, Chelsea?
I didn't break his tablet. No. It's not broken.
Start with the trespass charge built almost entirely on the woman's own words. On camera, she says it herself. She had already moved out and no longer lived there. Criminal trespass generally requires unauthorized entry made with knowledge that entry was unauthorized. Her own admissions satisfy both of those elements, without any additional evidence needed. That's the strongest charge in this entire case, and it rests on nothing but her own testimony. Now the property damage charge tells a very different story. The tablet she allegedly damaged is confirmed intact by both parties, right there on camera. That specific allegation is functionally dead before the video even ends. The door frame, however, shows fresh damage consistent with forced entry observed directly by the officer. That's the version of this charge that actually survives contact with the evidence.
Do you honestly know what he does on it? God.
I really
I can't believe it. I'm sorry, I'm so hurt. Man.
All right, Chelsea, can you go ahead and hop up for me? I'm gonna place you under arrest, okay?
No, please don't. Please don't put me under arrest. Please don't. All I said was I'm just so upset and hurt. That's all I said, though, please. God. All I wanted was to fucking.
I don't want her to get arrested.
Please.
Chelsea, go and stand up.
No, please, please. Oh my God, please do not take me out of here like this, please. No. Please don't take me out of here like this, please. I always was upset and I hurt, I'm mad. Why is that a crime? I hurt. Can I do something? Please don't.
Let's walk out. Let's walk out.
I can't walk outside like
You can.
this.
You can.
No, please,
You can.
no.
You can and you will. We're gonna
Please
walk out.
do not, please.
We're gonna walk out.
Resisting arrest is the shakiest charge of the three, and the reason is her own behavior. She pleads, and she briefly stiffens, but she never strikes, swings, or attempts to flee. Most resisting statutes draw a real line between passive noncompliance and active obstruction. Pleading with an officer on its own typically does not meet that legal threshold. Whether this charge holds up depends entirely on how the jurisdiction defines resistance itself. As for the arrest itself, the Fourth Amendment doesn't require officers to witness every misdemeanor happen live. Probable cause can be built instead through admissions and physical evidence, exactly what happened here. Officers had her own statement plus a broken doorframe before they ever moved to arrest her. That combination is typically enough to satisfy the constitutional standard for a warrantless misdemeanor arrest.
My kid.
What's going on, sir?
Please, please, please.
No, we're not doing this, okay?
Not a good idea.
Good,
If you
Let's
keep
walk
doing
out.
this, you're gonna stack up charges. Don't do that. Because it's
We're walking
gonna be
out.
a process.
It's literally gonna be 20 minutes and you're gonna be back.
Please.
Is he taking it? Car's parked right around the corner.
Please, please. Don't. Okay.
The reporting party matters here too, and his conduct shaped how quickly this case came together. He didn't retaliate physically, and he answered every question directly instead of steering the story. That cooperation gave officers a clean, verifiable timeline in minutes rather than hours of guesswork. The responding officer receives a grade of B for building a legally sound arrest through patient questioning. The subject, Chelsea, receives a grade of C, since her own candor supplied the elements against her. The reporting party receives a grade of B+ for cooperating instead of escalating the confrontation himself. Ask yourself this: if you forced open a door to prove a point, would your own words convict you? 3 takeaways from this case, each one worth remembering. Number 1, voluntary statements to police can establish every element of a crime without a confession. Number 2, not every charge in an arrest carries equal legal weight or the same odds in court. Number 3, passive refusal and active resistance are treated very differently under most state laws. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police and court interactions.